What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's M3Croft here, and today guys, finally I'm going to show you around. I'm going to do a tour on the room that I do all my streamings and my gameplay. To be honest with you guys, I have done already 2 videos, but I didn't upload them once I was doing few changes, and I just wanted to do it when everything would be already up to date without any prior changes. I can say that now is all up to date what I really wanted to change, and that's why I'm going to show you around. So let's go over it. Here Mr. Leo is getting ready for his stream. This is his place where he do all his streaming, and he speak with his big fans, right Leo? Yeah, of course, Leo King, just Leo King, just right there, Leo King. So this is the panoramic of my room. So this is the living room, and where I do all my gameplay, my streams and all. So basically that is the side that usually you see, that you can always just see this bit, not counting with the speaker over there, because usually I cover it to not be like that black dot on the background. But yeah, so that is the perspective of what you see. Here are some of the lights that I use. I use the ring light that usually gives the light into my face. This one I got it recently. That was actually Dominica that got it on my birthday. It came in 2. I have one over here, and I have the other one just over there. That one I don't move, it just stays the way where it is. Only these 2 I usually, the ring light, it usually goes just right there, that goes into the side of my face, and the blue one, it just go there, because usually this one I keep it blue, and that one usually I keep it like kind of pinkish, reddish, and is what gives that effect on the side of my face. If you have watched my videos, you know what I'm talking about. Like the streams, you can see that from one of the sides is more bluish and the other one is more pinkish. So that is the lights that I'm using. It's actually 16,000 colors, and honestly they are very very good and bright. I love them, I really do. You can control them by wireless, so that's a really good thing, because I can control them there as well on my StreamDeck, that I will come back there in a second. So here I have the strip lights, and usually I keep them blue, but these strip lights don't only have 16 colors, but they are really good. I got them on Amazon. This is a 5 meter long, and it cost me £25, and honestly they are really nice and bright, so I recommend. I can put the links on the description for you guys to see and get it if you want, because I have as well some strip lights just over there. That's the ones that they are behind the TV and behind the computer, the monitors I mean, but that ones they are the Philips Hue, but in comparison of these ones, that ones they were way much more expensive, really expensive, because I have the U lights as well on the back, but I will come back there just in a second. I have here one of my drawings, actually 2 of my drawings. This is Lara Croft that I was drawing in 2013, actually 16th of July 2013, and it's Lara. This is a random picture that I was drawing, and was like around the same time, because this was on the 4th of July 2013, and this one was Dominica that I've done. This one is a poster that I got. It's a special edition poster, an A4 with some Royal Mail stamps from like the first games of Tomb Raider, as you can see, until the one from 2013, the Tomb Raider from 2013. I'm not sure if he's actually until the 2013. So yeah, you know that I'm a big fan, guys. You know that I'm a huge fan of the Tomb Raider, Lara Croft. And here he goes, Lara Croft, Alicia from the Tomb Raider film. I really love this poster. And honestly, I just needed to actually get it and to keep it here. Stranger Things, this is an amazing series. If you have never watched this series, you should, because it's amazing. It's amazing, and I really love the poster. Here, Drake and Lara, I love them. Honestly, together they make a great team. Honestly, amazing. Here's some of my statues. Tomb Raider, of course, Lara Croft. So this one came on my Tomb Raider 2013. I have the box just over there. That was the collection edition. This one I got it on the wood box alongside these books, the Resident Evil book on the wood box. This one it came with the Tomb Raider 13, the collector's edition, and this it came with the wood box. This one, that one, and that it came in the same box. This is the statues from the Final Fantasy VII remake. You can see Aerith, Cloud, and Sephiroth there. I was waiting 5 months to get them. When I pre-ordered these statues, it was in the same time when I got my Final Fantasy VII remake, but they were released 5 months after. Took ages to be here, but they are finally here. And here is the Lara Croft. This is the Barbie edition. Yep, this is a Barbie, by the way, guys, but it's awesome, really nice quality, amazing. Here, going for the next frame. This it was from a guy that I found on Etsy. He has I don't know if he actually still has the original on the Etsy, but the original, it cost over £2,000. Yes, £2,000. And this one cost me £37. This is a copy of that poster, that drawing, and it's amazing. This is a piece of art, guys. If you really enjoy the Final Fantasy, all the characters, this is a really nice thing to have in your living room. This is a nice frame, this is a nice poster. I can leave the links below. If for a reason I forget to put the links, please remind me, because I might forget 1 or 2 links. So let's carry on from the side where all the gaming happens. Where is the monitors, the PC, and the chair? So this is my Secretlab chair. This is the Throne edition. It's really comfortable, guys. This chair, I have it already for over 2 years, and I couldn't be happier. I know that can be a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. It's really comfortable, and I not just use for my gameplay, especially if I'm doing some stuff on the PC, like some homework for the university. I just keep my posture, and it's amazing, very comfortable. So I recommend, I totally recommend. Here, my consoles, my mini consoles. Well, some, because I some of them, they are just there. This is the Nintendo Mini and my Super Nintendo Mini. Here, my Call of Duty Cold War, The Last of Us Part 2, and the Avengers that is still not open. I got it before Christmas time, and I'm waiting for the update on the PlayStation 5. That is actually here, by the way, my PlayStation 5, the master of the consoles. I know that it looks like a router, but it makes it. I love it. I really love it. It's better than the fridge, in my opinion. Anyway, I don't want any arguments. I love PlayStation. I'm a PlayStation fan from a long time. So finally here, my setup. Here, this is my tower that I changed recently, the PC case. So this is a MSI PC case. and that is a Ryzen 9 with 24 gigabytes of RAM. This is a Ryzen 9 3900X, and that is a GeForce Nvidia 1660 Super with 6 gigabytes dedicated. It's a really good graphic, but I would say not the best. For probably some of the games it might struggle, but the thing is that I use my PC mostly with the PlayStation, so it's just basically the gameplay comes all from the PlayStation. I have Elgato 4K Mark II. That is a really good capture card, and so yeah, that is where basically all the magic happens, through this living room. Here, this is the PC that I do my editing. By the way, here is the Last of Us that I was playing on the PlayStation 5, and I recently posted a video on my channel with in 4K quality and HDR, and this basically is where I do all my editing stuff. And here the monitors. That one is LG NV600 UltraWide. I got it more by purpose to have the Streamlabs open, and to have, because this one I can split. Basically, the software allows me to split the screen like in 2 pieces or 3 pieces, and basically I can split it in 8. That is the max. And it's really handy for me to keep some stuff that I might need while I'm streaming. And since I got it, it's honestly is a big change. And this one here is a Lenovo that I use for the chat mostly, or if I have my Discord open, and I can just see all the chat from all the streaming when I'm streaming. And the main one, that is the Asus VG32VQ. This is a curved monitor and it's really nice. Honestly, this monitor, I'm so happy. Since I got it, I have been really pleased with this monitor. Here my controllers, the Xbox controller, even if I don't have the Xbox, but I use it on the PC. This is the PlayStation 4 controller, and this is my PlayStation 5 controller. Here my StreamDeck that I use to control basically everything on my streams. Here the intro, outro, live scene, chat time. So basically this is an amazing tool. If you do a lot of streaming, this is a must. This is definitely a big change on your streams, trust me, because with that you can control everything. You can control the sound, I can control the lights, I can control basically anything that I want to be right back, and some other things that you can just add into it. Amazing. This is the Blue Yeti. This microphone is amazing as well. The quality, it's really good, and it's not an expensive microphone in my opinion for what it does. This is the pop filter. I got it on Amazon, like the pop filter with the arm, 15 pounds altogether. So yeah, it's a good thing, and as well is not expensive. My bottle where I put my juice or water, my Sonic just over there that holds the PlayStation 3 controller, and the headphones from the PlayStation that I barely use them, to be honest with you. I prefer always to use the earbuds instead of the headphones. And yeah, so basically this is my setup. This is my clapboard. This is life in a day that you probably seen recently, the film that I have been involved, that I have been selected, that I still can't believe, but that's true. I have watched already 4 times, and I think so that I'm going to watch a 5th time soon. If you still didn't watch, guys, please have a look on the film Life in a Day, and you will recognize me. And so yeah, guys, that's all. That is what I wanted to show you today. Let me know what you think. If you have any comments, if you want to ask me anything about all like my setup like in more like in a detail, particularly like of something, just feel free, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you still didn't subscribe my channel and you would like, please push that red button and push the bell for you to be notified all the time when I'm going live or I upload any video. Guys, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to show my setup, and see ya in the next one. I love you all, guys. Peace.